Hello guys, welcome back to Smart Review Lab. Today I am going to talk in this video about best refrigerators under $2,000 that you should buy. Let's do started. Top 5 Best Refrigerators Under $2,000. Our top pick for the best refrigerator with the Danby Compact Refrigerator. It is aesthetically pleasing while being easy to use and including important features such as integrated door shelving and tall bottle storage. The Danby Compact is energy efficient and offers 4.4 cubic feet of storage. Our research was based on the rating of each model. Number 5. Commercial Cool Compact Refrigerator. 1 full width and 1/2 width door storage shelves. Half width freezer compartment with ice cube tray. Accommodates 2-liter and tall bottles. Main features: space-saving flat back design. Recessed door handle. Adjustable leveling legs. Number 4. Midea WHS65LB1 Compact Single Reversible Door Refrigerator. Large storage areas excellent at chilling beverages and healthy snacks/produce, however cannot be used for storing frozen foods or making ice cubes. Main features: mechanical temperature adjustment. Full 1-year warranty. Adjustable legs. Number 3. Black Plus Decker BCRK25B Compact Refrigerator. A reversible door, leveling legs, and adjustable temperature control make this mini fridge even more practical. The small freezer fits ice packs, most frozen dinners. Main features: ultra quiet. 1-year warranty. Large capacity. Number 2. Avion 5.5 Chew featuring built-in 24 inches refrigerator. Built-in or freestanding application, temperature range of 34°F to 50°F, single zone cooling unit. Black cabinet with stainless steel door. Main features: touch control panel. Internal LED lights. Stainless steel handle. Number 1. Danby Compact Refrigerator 4.4 cubic feet. Half width adjustable glass shelves. Integrated door shelving with tall bottle storage. Environmentally friendly R600A refrigerant. Main features: can store beverage dispensing system. Automatic defrost. Integrated door handle. Thanks for watching. To receive every update, please subscribe and click the bell icon below. For more information about this products, check the video description.